Hi guys, it's been a minute. I haven't done a weight loss vlog in so long. Welcome back. Welcome back to the weight loss vlogs. Ignore my broken out face. I was going through it with my acne journey, which there will be a video on my acne journey real soon as I clear this face up. I'm documenting everything. But yeah, I'm starting up the weight loss vlogs again. This time, no keto. I am going on a healthy lifestyle journey, which I was doing on keto, but I ended up falling off the wagon. You know, if you watched my vlogs, I fell off the wagon a bunch of times, always got back on, always stayed, you know, trying to make healthy choices and continuing with my keto diet. But I ended up just really not sticking to it and like going back to my really bad habits that I was doing prior to being on this keto journey. Since my last weight loss vlogs, I was still doing keto really on and off. So maybe 4 days a week I would stick to a keto diet and then go balls to the walls on the weekend. And it was just a continuous cycle. Then we ended up hitting quarantine. So today is April 27th. We've been in quarantine for close to 2 months. At least for me, I started my quarantine. My birthday was March 13th. That was like the last day I went out, which was a Friday. After that, I've been in quarantine ever since. My work, I think I went to work that Monday. They sent us home. So I've been in quarantine probably since, I would say like March 17th, March 16th. So it's been a long time. And during quarantine, I was just eating terrible, or I am eating terrible in quarantine. Like I don't know what it is. I've just been stuffing my face. I've tried to go on a dairy-free diet kind of situation for my face because I was breaking out like crazy. Like all you see right here is just scars. Like I don't have any active breakouts. Right here, I only have one. And everything else is just scars. So yeah, my face really went through it. I'm pretty sure it's because of my diet. So since then, I've been during quarantine trying to do dairy free. I have cut back on dairy a lot, especially like during the week I cut back on dairy, but then I end up, you know, messing up terribly and picking up really bad habits on the weekends, eating a lot of fried food. I've been eating so much fried food this quarantine, just, you know, dairy, pastas, you know, stuff like that, especially on the weekends. Very bad. So I'm turning a new leaf. I'm literally gaining back almost all the weight that I've lost. I haven't weighed myself because I've been too scared, but I think that's what I need to like push me to continue on this change of lifestyle. I am gonna weigh myself when I get back home. By the way, I'm not out and about. I had to come into my office to check the mail. We are working from home, but one of us has to come every day to check the mail. So today's my turn. I am checking the mail. So I decided to pop on here and start my weight loss vlog. And so when we get back from the office, I am gonna go out for a walk and do some kind of exercise because that we need to do for sure. So I didn't film what I literally just started filming this right now. So basically today I woke up in the morning, had my coffee, which is basically a Nespresso 4 shots and a little bit of the almond milk coffee creamer from Silk. I used the sweet cream one and just a little bit of that to sweeten it up. No added sugar, nothing else. I did have a small multi like 7-grain toast with some vegan butter and a little bit of jelly. That was like my breakfast. And then for lunch, I had these little chicken tenders in a low carb tortilla wrap with some lentils. I think it's chicharo in Spanish. So correct me if I'm wrong if it's lentils in English. I don't really know, but I know it's chicharo. I will put it right here, you know, correct myself if I got it wrong, but with a little bit of chicharo and like a spoonful of mild salsa. That's what I had for lunch. So, and then some water. I need to up my water intake. I've only drank this much water all day, which is terrible. So I have to drink this water bottle. So let me go inside, check the mail so we can get home and get to walking, exercise, and moving this body. I'm actually gonna run up the stairs. I'm gonna run up the stairs to give myself, you know, a little push. Good morning. It is Tuesday, day 2 of this weight loss vlog. So I am terrible at vlogging. I think I forgot how to vlog because totally didn't vlog my dinner last night. I had some meatballs with a little bit of marinara sauce and a sweet potato with a little bit of vegan butter. It was delicious. And totally forgot to vlog it or show you guys anything. So then I wake up this morning and totally forgot to show you guys my breakfast. Well, it wasn't really morning. I ended up eating breakfast like around 12:30. So I'm still kind of intermittent fasting. For those of you guys that watch my old vlogs, I would intermittent fast as well. So I would eat from like 11 to 7. Technically didn't eat today till like 12:30. So yeah, last night I decided to weigh myself. The last time I weighed myself, I think I was like at 172, and it was like right in the beginning of the quarantine. But prior to that, I had been avoiding my Renpho scale. If you guys have seen my earlier weight loss vlogs, you guys know that I have a scale. The brand is called Renpho. You basically you weigh yourself. It's a regular scale, but it has an app that's connected to it, and it'll tell you like your body fat, your BMI, like a bunch of like information, and it'll track your weight and whatnot. So the last time I weighed myself on that scale, like that I actually logged in information, I was at 152, and it was a year ago, April 26, 2019. A year ago, I was 152. I weighed myself last night and I am at a whopping 177. And I weighed myself on the Renpho scale to hold myself accountable. I also downloaded a calorie tracker app called Lose It. So I logged in all of my calories. It basically gave me like a goal, like how much weight you want to lose. I wanted to get down to 149. I wanted to surpass my lowest weight, which was 152. I wanted to get down to 149, and it basically told me like how fast you want to do it. Do you want to lose, a pound a week, a pound and a half a week? So I wanted to lose 2 pounds a week. So it gave me a calorie allowance of 1,219 calories. I think I'm only gonna do this in the beginning to like hold myself accountable, but my goal is to just live a healthier lifestyle. So just eat a lot better and make healthier choices, rather than really like sticking to like a diet. I didn't want to be confined into just, a low carb diet, a low calorie diet, or a paleo diet. I just didn't want to give myself restrictions. Let myself make healthier choices so I can continue with a healthier lifestyle and not have to follow such strict guidelines. I think keto did help mold me into like being more conscious of my sugar, more conscious of my carbs. I am trying to, minimize my intake of carbs. I'm trying to minimize, everything in smaller portions as well. It also helps when you eat smaller portions, honestly, just, the amount of things you put in your body, you don't need that much to survive. We overeat, us as like humans. I know I do it. I'm very gluttonous. Is that the word? Like I overeat all the time. And like my body's telling me stop eating, but my mind is like, keep eating because this is delicious. And I really want to work on that. I want to stop overeating. I'm just trying to give my body what it needs and not in excess. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So I think I'm just using this as a tool right now to like help me out and to motivate me and give me some kind of like push, because I was really like lacking motivation, lacking just drive. I was very sluggish and just honestly not happy with myself. Really, I think it's just, the time, the laziness, like it just took over me. So I'm super excited about this journey. I'm super motivated to make better choices and like see that scale move down and get back to like where I was and go even further. So let's do it. This is the aftermath of no keto and eating super bad for a couple of months. I'm gonna show a picture right here of what I look like in this exact same outfit. A comparison so you can see how much it is that I've gained since getting off of keto and eating really bad unhealthy food. So hi guys, it is Friday and I am super happy because I weighed myself today, and after 4 days of this healthy eating situation, I've lost 4 pounds. So I'm super happy about that. One thing I did notice is on my Lose It app, I now have less calories. Like my calorie budget went down, so that kind of sucks. But I guess it's because I need to shock my body. I guess because I lost the 4 pounds, they want me to, like, I don't know, reduce my calorie intake. I don't know what that meant, but either way, that's where we're at now. Super happy I lost those 4 pounds. I want to keep it up this weekend because my weekend is my weakness. I always messing up on the weekends, so I really want to do good and stick to this plan of healthy eating. So yeah, I'm now out for a walk because the more I exercise, the more calories I can eat. So I'm gonna get to walking and I will check in later. Hey guys, happy Saturday. It is about 1 o'clock right now and I'm gonna go out for a walk. I woke up super early. I woke up like around 12 today. I don't even know why I slept in so long. But yeah, so I'm gonna go out for a walk, but I just wanted to close out today's weight loss vlog, or this week's weight loss vlog, right here on Saturday so I can edit it and have it up for you guys maybe Sunday, probably Monday. But yeah, I'm so excited that this first week went so well. I lost 4 pounds, so that's pretty exciting, knowing that I can do this pretty quickly without keto, because I was a little scared of that. I know that when I did keto, you lose weight really fast in the beginning. Later on it slows down and you average about a pound a week or so. But with this that I was doing, this just like trying to choose healthier foods, not calling it a good diet, just trying to like do better and counting my calories so I can limit the amount of food I intake and not overeat. I didn't know I was gonna lose that much weight that fast, but pretty happy that I did, and just motivates me to keep going and start making healthier choices. So I hope you guys enjoyed this weight loss vlog and you stay along for the ride. Keep watching, subscribe, comment, give me your feedback. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.